Negros Occidental. Kababayan pala to ni James Yap. Escalante City. I'm not sure which city though. Raul Soyo, that's from Negros. Cawilan off the handoff, straight line in for JP Cawilan. Ano? Ganda pag-usapan niya.
Because my top three is, and this is not in any particular order, since he hits that three. AC Soberano.
Okay.
Is that a good list?
Very good list. Walang bias, pwede ba Diego Dario?
Pwede, Diego Dario.
Diego Dario, who has a good,
Yun lang ang top of my mind,
good Harold Alarcon. I do like the shot, the shooting form of Harold Alarcon. Prince Rivero on the fake.
I will never understand that. That controller thing.
Cawilan, one more time. Third triple for John Paul.
Were successful, 7 were unsuccessful. So it's more like 50-50.
2 by Buraga goes to Paranada. Step back, straight line and in for Kyle Paranada. 22 ang kalamangan ng Ilagan. Punta sa dito kay Buraga. Solis, push shot is good for J-Boy Solis. Mamaya nagda-drive tayo pa uwi. Marami ka bang may isip na pangalan dyan na parang, oo nga no, hindi ko naisip. Oo nga no, pwede nga rin pala siya. Stags for Adoro. Off the outside, gets the 3 as well. 4 versus 1, Dondon. To Buraga, too strong for Buraga. Balik ang bola. Solis kay Dondon. Gets the 2 right there. Is Dondon Kumaru.
Jimboy Pastoran, Pamboy Raimundo, Jerome Garcia,
Yes, we forgot Jay Gars.
Christian Fajarito, Sean Argente, Val Acuña, and sila Judel Fuentes, no?
Yes, that's right.
Oh my God.
Shooters have really come out here in the league. Pero pinag-usapan natin kanina, coach, yung favorite forms natin.
Tantan Banal.
Tantan Banal. Pwede, no?
Oo.
Pero kaya no ako doon siguro.
Sabi nga ni Coach Christian, ano yan, ang tawag niya dyan, Ken Einstein. Sa memory niya.
Actions continue. Capascio
Nice.
on the cut. Gets a 9 point of the ball game is Gabe Capascio.
Dalawang cuts yun actually, di ba?
Marlon Monte.
Ken, Coach Christian, you, Borsedelf. Coach Vic?
Pwede. Hindi pa natin nakikita.
Sabagay, direct Fred Nowitzki. Diba?
Tama. Adorio trying to get his third triple. TJ. Hulog pass to Buraga. Blocked from behind by Tweety Santos.
Correct.
Medina punta kay Buraga. Swiped and tapped. Medina all the way. Challenge pa. Turnover. Last touch kay Buraga.
And the combined offensive rebound of both team of both Cebu and Bulacan is also a record.